Hi guys. Okay, today we're going to go ahead and look at how to rewrite an equation in function form in order to graph it. Okay, we're working on a continuous function, meaning I'm going to let you choose your own table of values. Okay, so the easiest thing to do before you start is to put it in function form. That means get y by itself. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and add x to both sides. Okay. Looking at this then, the x's are going to go ahead and cross off, okay? So then we're going to have 3y equals 12 plus x left. Okay, next thing we're going to do is go ahead and divide by 3. Okay, that's going to let us get the y's by themselves. So we divide by 3. We can go ahead and cross off that 3 in front of the y, and we end up with y equals 4 plus x over 3. Now, we want to go ahead and create a table of values. Now, you can pick any value, any points, numbers that you want, whatever makes you happy here. But be careful, because you want to be able to graph these points. Okay, for example, if I picked a 1, okay, I'll put a 1 in my x spot, and I come down here, y equals 4 plus 1/3. Okay, y is going to end up equaling 4 1/3, and that is going to be really hard to graph because you have to guess where that point is. So that's probably not a value I would want you to start out using. So I'm going to go ahead and cross that off. Matter of fact, I'm just going to erase it down here altogether because I don't want to use that. All right, so let's start over here. Think of a number that could go up here where this x is, okay? That could possibly, let's move that over, okay? We want a number here that can go there, that could work with that 3, that could divide with that 3 and give us a nice number. Okay, I think I hear you saying 3, so let's go ahead and try that. If I put 3 in there, I have y equals 4 plus 3 over 3, okay? And we know that 3 over 3 right here is equal to the 1. So y equals 4 plus 1, so y equals 5. That's a good point in my table of values. And I can come over here and go over 3, up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I can go ahead and put my dot. Okay? All right, let's go ahead and pick another point. Next point that I want to try, maybe, how about a 0? 0 is always the easiest number. Let's put that in our table of values. Plug it into our equation. Y equals 4 plus 0 over 3. Okay, 0 over 3 is gone. Anything divided by 0, or 0 divided by anything is going to give you 0. So y is 4. So let's put that in our table of values. And let's go ahead and plot that point. Okay, so in order to do that, we go 0 means don't go over at all. Go up 4. There's my next point. Okay, let's go ahead and pick another point. How about, let's see, what other number could go? How about negative 3? If I put a negative 3 in my equation, y equals 4 plus negative 3 over 3, okay? This negative 3 over 3 is equal to a negative 1, so 4 plus negative 1 equals 3. So that's what's going in my table of values, negative 3, 3. Okay, so if I go ahead and try to graph that one, negative 3 is go left 3, and then up 3, and there's my point. Now, if you go over here and you look at these points, I mean, it all just kind of makes sense if you're looking at it, okay? Oh, I am so sorry. Did not mean to do that to you. Let's see if I can't get that to show up here. Right here. Okay? See that? All these points are following a little bit into a row or a pattern. You can see that they're going up 1 and then over 3. Up 1, over 3. Okay? So, because they're falling into a line or in a straight line, a straight pattern, you're able to see that that is a function. Okay? It also passes the function rule, the vertical line test. Okay, so we're set now. We can go ahead and draw that line. It's a continuous function. So we're going to put arrows on it, and we're connecting the dots because you chose those values. And that's all there is to it, guys. Okay? Thanks.